Hello guys, today we're going to draw and I will say my name. My name is Fisan and this is my mama. Say hello mama.
Hello.
Okay, mag-start na kami mag-draw. Okay? Guys, bigay ng mami ko ton coloring pens. Maganda oh. Tsaka ito oh, makikita kong ito yung pan-draw, tsaka ito yung brush guys. Ito oh. Guys, na-choose ko red kasi mag-draw ako ng rainbow. Okay guys, joke lang, hindi ako mag-draw ng rainbow iba. Is that ice cream? Yours is nice.
Okay.
Sorry guys, kasi nagbastang kami. Baka nakalimutan ko isa niyang Philippines kami. Sigma, Sigma boys. A few moments later. Okay guys, ito. Ito kay ma'am. Ito yung kay mama ko. Dito subscribe. Dito sa akin like. I know what it is. Idea. Click like. Click subscribe. Click the option in the tab. Something amazing will happen. Bye bye guys. I love you.